Hey everybody, just out here making some sun tea. It's been out here about an hour. It's probably good to go. I wanted to specify something about the new channel we're starting called Bentgate Ranch. It's going to focus primarily on like thermal and night vision infrared optics, being able to shoot, move around, do things in the dark, whether it be night vision goggles for bump helmets, night vision binoculars, thermal scopes, infrared scopes, and different types of stuff. But the main thing I didn't really emphasize was this is for like on a budget. Okay, this isn't going to be the most expensive thermal optics you can buy. The ones we have are fantastic, and you'll see the quality once I start posting videos. I think the very first video is going to be kind of a breakdown on what we'll be using, and maybe a little example of each, just to give you an idea that this isn't like a channel where, oh, you can like have this type of thermal scope for, $3,000. Not even close. The stuff we have, we research it and find stuff that will do the job but not break the bank, if that makes it more clear. Most people should be able to start accumulating the stuff that we'll be using for the videos on that channel, without having to save for 6 months to buy something. So I hope that makes it a little more clear, and I hope to also, it's a little windy today. I don't like shooting video in the wind, but it usually slows down or dies completely once the sun starts going down. So I do plan on doing some, at least the initial video is going to be kind of a breakdown of the type of equipment, and I could do some research and see what the price range was for each of those items. But one of them I think people are going to really like, because, well, you'll see in the video. One of them is like the best way to get night vision on a budget, and I think you're really gonna, if you don't already know about this product, I think you're gonna be pretty pumped when you understand that this thing does exist, and the price is beyond reasonable compared to the alternative. All right, take care. And if you're interested in basically night vision optics and stuff like that on a budget, then I would suggest subscribing to Bentgate Ranch, and the turn on the notifications, because I don't know when the videos are going to start hitting that channel, and the link to that channel should be in the description below. Take care and God bless.